Welcome back to Orage Technologies. Welcome to a groundbreaking episode that's not just about cybersecurity, it's about revolutionizing the way we think about digital defense. Buckle up because we are diving into Cybersecurity 2.0. 1. Quantum leap in cyber threats. Imagine a world where traditional encryption is child's play for quantum computers. It's not science fiction, it's the future of cyber threats. Today, we are exploring the quantum leap in cybersecurity challenges and how we are gearing up to face them head-on. 2. Hacking the human mind. Move over conventional hacking, it's time to hack the most intricate system, the human mind. We are delving into the psychology behind cyber attacks, exploring how hackers exploit cognitive biases, and discussing strategies to outsmart them. 3. Cybersecurity Escape Room Challenge. What better way to understand cybersecurity than by turning it into an escape room challenge? Join me as we solve puzzles, crack codes, and navigate through a virtual maze of cyber threats. It's not just about learning, it's about experiencing cybersecurity in action. 4. AI Bodyguards and Cybersecurity Avengers. Meet the new guardians of cyberspace, AI-powered security tools. They're not just algorithms, they're digital superheroes. We are exploring how artificial intelligence is transforming into the ultimate cyber defense force, predicting and neutralizing threats before they strike. 5. Cybersecurity for Smart Cities. Smart cities are the future, but they also present unprecedented cybersecurity challenges. We are taking a tour through a digitally connected metropolis, exploring how we are securing everything from smart traffic lights to IoT-enabled homes, ensuring a safer and smarter urban experience. 6. Gamifying cybersecurity education. Learning about cybersecurity doesn't have to be dull. We are stepping into a virtual gaming environment where cybersecurity education becomes an immersive and interactive experience. Grab your controllers, it's time to level up your digital defense skills. Conclusion. The future of cybersecurity isn't just about keeping up, it's about staying ahead in this ever-evolving digital landscape. From quantum threats to AI allies, hacking the human mind to gamified learning, we are rewriting the rules of the cybersecurity game. Orage Technologies is one-stop destination for IT solutions. Contact us for most efficient and cost-effective software services. If you enjoyed this helpful video, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thank you.